Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, and I'm here to tell you about our 21-day community cleanse program. Whether you've done this before or you're brand new, no matter where you live, no matter what diets you've tried or what your health goals are, I'm telling you this is for you. So it's 21 days, you get meal plans, recipes, we have weekly events, weekly calls for accountability, and if you do live in Oklahoma, you can have Plant make your meals for you. So check it out. I promise you this will change your life. This will change your relationship with food, and I will be here to guide you through the entire thing. So check it out on our website, eatatplant.com. Be sure to register by January 1st, and I hope to see you soon.